pakikinggan ko talaga sila Heidi Mendoza if they're going to talk about, how are we going to make COA a more independent body. I'm all ears. Let's do it any day. And I'm going to fight side by side with you guys if that is your real intention. The problem is, while you acknowledge the fact that COA is not an independent as it should be, at the same time, acceptable sa inyo that the COA audit report is being politicized on the office of the Vice President. Diba? Hindi po fair yun. Hindi po yun magkatugma. Hindi yun magkatugma. Ganon. Tapos, yung kasing mga statement na hindi, galit kami sa lahat ng confidential fund. Dapat ganito ang pag-uusapan natin about policy. Girl!